Microsoft just made a move that will impact almost every enterprise Power BI environment. Dataflow Gen1 is now Legacy. And if your organization relies on Power BI data flows, this is not a small update. It's a shift. Here's what most teams don't realize yet. Dataflow Gen1 runs on Power BI Pro. Dataflow Gen2 requires Microsoft Fabric capacity. That means new licensing, new architecture, and a conversation your finance team probably hasn't had yet. But the real issue isn't licensing, it's migration. You can't just upgrade Gen 1 to Gen 2. It creates a new data flow, a new ID, which means every data set, every report, every dashboard connected to it has to be identified and reconnected, manually. At enterprise scale, that's not a task, that's a project. But here's the opportunity. Done right, Dataflow Gen 2 unlocks something far more powerful. Direct integration with Microsoft Fabric, lakehouses, warehouses, one lake, faster performance, lower capacity consumption, and a foundation built for AI. This isn't just a migration, it's a chance to rebuild your data architecture the right way. EPC Group has completed over 500 Microsoft Fabric implementations. We help organizations inventory their Gen 1 environments, map dependencies, design the right fabric architecture, and execute migration without breaking production. We are EPC Group. We were on the Power BI beta team, Project Crescent, before it became the world's leading business intelligence platform. Our founder, Aaron O'Connor, ranked one of the top 10 AI architects in North America, and two-time New York Times best-selling author, wrote the official Microsoft Press book on Power BI. We have been there in the consulting trenches for 28 years, over 6,000 plus Microsoft implementations, G2 leader for top business intelligence consulting firm in North America for 4 consecutive quarters, G2 Net Promoter Score 100.
If your organization is running Dataflow Gen1, now is the time to understand your exposure.
Book your 30-minute Gen 1 Migration Assessment at EPC Group.net. We'll tell you exactly what you have, what it costs, and how to move forward before it becomes a problem. Email us at contact@epcgroup.net or visit epcgroup.net/contact, or just give us a call at 888-381-9725. Let's ensure this effort is a success.